Hey, Mr. Harper here. Sorry I'm not here today. Anyway, I just want to kind of walk you through what you're going to be doing today. So hopefully you know how to get the make code. It's found in Google Classroom, but we're going to click Start Coding. And something new, if you want to save your work, you can always sign in with Google. Just select your Google account. I'll use my school one, hit continue. And that way your work is always saved. Just a reminder, if I go too fast, remember you can always pause the video. You can slow it down. So you're pretty much in control of this. So we're going to do a tutorial. We're going to go down, we're going to go to games, and we're going to do this. We'll hit the arrow key here till we get snap the dot. So we're going to make a game on the microbit. So we'll click start tutorial. And so this is a game of skill where you have to press A exactly when the dot reaches the center of the screen. So we're going to show you, this tutorial is going to show you how to use the game engine, how to make a simple game with the microbit. So right here, it gives you all the blocks you need. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new variable called sprite, and then we're going to drag a set sprite into the start. So we'll click variables, make a new variable, we're going to call it sprite. Okay. Then we're going to drag set sprite 2 into start. If at any time you're worried if you're doing it right, you can always just click the little hint button. That'll give you the code. So next thing, we're going to pull out a create sprite block and put it inside the set sprite block to replace the 0. So we'll click events, game, we're going to create a sprite. Okay, let's move that over. So this tells you a sprite is a single pixel that can move on the screen. It has an X and Y position along with a direction of motion. So this is the X and the Y. So this middle is 2, 2, and this little dot is our sprite. So the sprite starts in the center, facing to the right, but then we need to put a move block into the forever to make it move. So we'll go back to game. Move sprite by 1. And you can see it did move. It just moved really fast. If I hit refresh, you can see it's moving pretty fast. It doesn't bounce back either, so we're going to add an if on edge bounce. We can also add a pause to slow the sprite down. So first thing I'm going to do is if on edge bounce. And that'll make it move very fast. And then we'll add a pause block from basic. And there we go, it's got it moving. If that's too fast, you can change this to like 200. Don't really think you need anything bigger than 200. I think 200 would be sufficient. If you like a challenge, that is. Okay, so you can see the simulator. You can see it's working. If you want to download the app, you can go get a Finch robot and download this program to the microbit. You'll need to have it plugged into the side of the computer to give it power, though. So I'm going to click next. When button A is pressed, we're going to check to see if the sprite's in the middle. So input on button A press. We're going to get an if. Put that there. And we're going to test if the sprite is equal to, if the sprite X is equal to 2. So we'll go back to logic. We're going to get the very first equal sign. And I don't know if you can see this, but you can see the little red dots. That lets me know where I'm placing this. Game. This sprite X. You see the red dots again. So now if I let go, it goes in there. So if sprite X equals 2. And we can see that right here. There we go. And we can hit next. We can add a score and put game over. So I'm going to hit this plus sign, get an else. So if we hit the A button and the sprite's in the middle, we're going to want to get a point. So we're going to change score by 1. Otherwise, we're going to go game over. That means we hit the A button and the sprite's not in the center. So if we play this, I lost. It'll tell me my score. which should be 0. And if I want to start it over, I can hit the A, B buttons again, and you can just press the A. And so that will get you your score. Real simple tutorial. You can hit next. You'll definitely want to download this on a Macabit and try, see if you can get the highest score. You can also change that to a bigger number if you want. Kind of up to you. Just kind of want you playing around. All right.